Come on everyone, hope you're all doing well. This is the first time you are coming across my channel. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. So if it's the first time you're watching my video, I am Larix. So if you are interested, you also join my community and you enjoy what I'm sharing. So I will drop the link to my community in the comment section. So just go there and join my community and my channels so you won't miss out any update. So the little update I have for you guys today is HiFami. This HiFami is just like other streaming platform that pays you from streaming their platform like Taka, like Popo Live and Blue Live and so many other platforms like that. But this one is quite different from this app. This one give you the purpose of you streaming and you earning money some other ways. So I'll explain everything step by step. Hope you are following me. So the first thing I want to explain to this guy to you guys is that the main thing you are going to do. First thing I have to do is that I've explained some things here. So we are planting crop, and this crop we are planting, we are going to be harvesting it. You see one sickle here like this. The moment this crop is ready to harvest, you see sickle. And see the time down is counting. So when this time is being completed, you see a sickle. So and when you enable nutrition, they were saying nutrition that it's ready for harvest. And if you didn't harvest on time, me and anybody can come here. I'll just come down here and harvest those people that have not harvest their own. I'll just come down here and harvest it. So it's better when you see notification, you go and harvest on time. And when you're harvesting, this thing will be increasing. And when this is increasing, can you see? Me, I'm already level 30. I can't see my account is VIP. So I have some benefits here also. So and that's the way that's the amount I use to upgrade to this thing. So you just keep playing, just keep harvesting. Not harvesting, this thing will upgrade now. Not upgrading, this thing your balance will increase. My balance has increased because I've withdrawn my money from there. So that's between 720 for this one. This one is different from this gem one. I'll be explaining. Just calm down and make sure you watch this video. I'll be explaining everything. So I've explained one way in which you can be earning. Just come here, clicking on this sickle. This sickle to harvesting. When it's in harvesting, this will be completing. This red packet will be completing, and this it will be adding up to now. This when it's one complete, it will add up. When it's one when you keep harvesting, it will add up. So can you see that's one way to earn that. And can also steal your friend's coin. Just come down and steal your coin. You have not claim it. So that's why it's advisable to claim your coin when you see the notification is ready for harvest, so the others won't claim it. So the next one is that you can also see this dice here. So this dice, when you click on it, you'll be prompt to join a party, like a live streaming this thing. So when you just click on it, you prompt to join it. So I think network is bad here. When you click on it, you prompt to join it. So you see a game session there. You see a game section there. You see it there. So you make sure you join it like a monopoly. Just click on start. Just keep playing. When you are playing, you keep earning. You keep earning. Your balance. You keep increasing, and your balance also will increase. Everything else will keep increasing. So after that, I think after some hours, when you use the amount they give you here, exactly. I don't know why it's not. I think network is very bad. I think it's very bad here. I'm supposed to tell you to join the party, but when you just click on it, just click on it like 2 times or 3 times, you have to join the party. When you join that party, just make sure you just in that party and just go to game session. The game self will load by itself. That's the monopoly. Just keep on playing. So when this thing finish, just leave it alone. It will how will I put it? It will increase by itself. I think the moment you are harvesting, this one will also be increasing. So just leave for some hours, just come back here, play the dice again. So this app you can earn a lot of money here. So let me explain that now. For this one, if you want to withdraw your money for this one, this balance is different from this one. Now this one is your coin balance. This coin balance now you can use to purchase this dice. Now when you see how you have run out of dice and you want to pass and complete something, can use this your coin here and buy some dice. Like I use and buy 5 times of this dice. So that's that for this one is the gem. You can provide this gem to money. So for withdrawal for this one, for this red packet. The network is very bad. So when you click on the moment the first withdrawal, you see something like 200 to 150. So that one you can first come here, you first withdraw down for 200 gem. Just first come here, you see it's available here, 200 to 150 naira. So just come here and swap it first. So can you see it? When I reach 15,000, the money is supposed to be more than this, but I've used the money, I've used it, that's why it reduced to this amount. So you can also exchange to coin. So can you see it? Can you see it? 15,000 is 20,000 gem. So this gem, from this gem you withdraw it. So let me go back here. So make sure when your money reach, at least you are harvesting. When it reach 150, just dental is very bad here. Very bad here. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm saying? Just steal it. That is still now. So when you see sequel, just can you see it? And for this one, just steal it. So now just cancel. So since you understand, can you see it? Just upgrade. Just click on upgrade. So when you click on this one will upgrade. Just this. All this one also. Make sure you click on it. Make sure you click on it. Log into this. And this one also. So let's leave it down. Let's come here. Come here. So all these things, make sure you are claiming it. So I'm claiming everything. All this now are daily tax. All these things I just remember now. So that's why I came here to buy. All this one are daily tax. So let's come here. Now this way I going to be withdrawing your money. And this way be exchanging it. Oh, people are following me. This way you withdraw your money and this way be exchanging it. So can you see presently I have 1-2 diamond, but that one I told you that time for that red packet, make sure you go and redeem it to diamond. When you redeem it for that your 200 to 150 naira, so you see it available here. You see it available here, 200 for 150. So just you click on it. When you click on it, you see payment option. Can you see mine is not complete yet, but when the diamond reach 1.5 now, I'll place a withdrawal for this one. That's 2,000 diamonds. That's 1.5. So that's how you keep earning. You can also withdraw from down also. So that's just a major way for you to earn here. So sorry, the video is very long. So it's because of the network issue. So just make sure you copy the code. If you didn't copy code, you receive any money. So make sure you copy the code and use the link, so you gain access to everything and withdraw your money, so you can keep looting. Now if it's that you want to loot, you can loot. After you withdraw your money from this one, just go to the next one, clear the cache list, your storage and your cache for this particular app. Then you open a new account again using the same link. So you keep that, you keep looting, and you keep earning more money, maximize your income. So that's just it. So and after that, you can just come back here and focus on this app, complete all those tasks, complete everything. So that's just it. So please just like and share this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is very well. So thank you very much. So that anything you don't understand, can just drop it in the comment section. or you join the community. They are not going to join the community and the channel. So if you have any other question, so that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.